I cannot talk much more. I'll stop the video over here, and I hope I'm sorry. I think hey, hello good family, hope you all are doing good. I'm literally not doing good over here. It's been a couple of days actually, day before yesterday as well as last night I got a little fever and cough, as you have seen. Like I was on live stream and all, so I thought it is okay and it would be fine automatically, there will be no problem. And I was taking normal, this common paracetamol. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Mm. Mm. I'm not feeling well. Sorry, I was completely not feeling fine, and that's why I had to stop the video. I'm so I'm sorry. Okay, I will just make this video very short, very small. I'm getting a lot of headache. Well, just to let you know or let you inform that I'm sweating a lot. Okay, I will finish the video soon, and okay, I'm sweating a lot and it's head is paining. Well, so since last night actually, when I came after the live stream from the terrace, since then I started getting a lot of fever, a lot of headache, and I started sweating. My body actually started being so weak. So actually simultaneously I was having paracetamols, which is common paracetamol over here in India. If people are getting any kind of problems or anything, they used to consume the paracetamol. So when I'm taking that paracetamol, I'm feeling just a bit okay, but within after half an hour again the fever, the headache, everything is starting. Then this evening I went to doctor. Actually the medicine paracetamol which I was consuming, that was without the permission of doctor, because I thought it is normal cough and cold or it's normal fever, so it will be okay if I consume that paracetamol. But yeah, it was not working. Just for a while it was working, and again it started getting the pain, headache, and a lot of I'm sweating a lot, or so many issues. And actually this morning I was not supposed to, I thought I would not go to feed the dogs, but suddenly it came to my mind that if I don't go, then the dogs will keep starving them. So I just immediately, I just very early in the morning I went there, and after coming I started sleeping again. I started taking rest the whole day. So simultaneously I was taking the paracetamol. So at the evening I went to the doctor, the local doctor, as you know. Those are not like some high special super specialty hospital, or those doctor are not MBBS doctor. I went to that local doctor, and he suggested me some, prescribed me some medicines, and he said I have to continue those medicine within in 2 to 3 days, and if in 2 to 3 days it doesn't change, then I have to go to lab for testing the blood, and according to that I have to continue the medications and everything. So I just came, I took the medicine, I had some food, even I didn't cook anything, just I had lemon water, and I had some like flattened rice. Flattened rice, you know or not, I don't know, that is called flattened rice. I had that, and after having that I just had the medicine, and after that again I started lying down, means taking rest. The doctor said I cannot go outside, or I have to continuously take bed rest at least 2 to 3 days. At the same time I have to consume the medicine. Now let's see if any changes come. I hope the changes will come, otherwise I have to go to the hospital and blood test and so many things I have to do that. I hope God will help me, and please keep me in your prayers, all of you. My head is, it's just extremely paining. I cannot talk much more. I'll stop the video over here, and I hope I'm sorry. I think next 2 to 3 days I will not be able to go to feed the dogs. I am not sure. Let's see if my health gets better, then I can take chance. Otherwise I have to take bed rest according to the doctor. Alright everyone, have a good day, have a good night, and keep me in your prayers. Bye bye.